Hey guys, I look and feel like shit. I've just gotten back from a long weekend away over at the lake and figured I'd better film a quick intro since there was a few things we filmed. It wasn't really a planned mission to go out and film a bunch of stuff or create a story or anything like that. Just went there as a getaway piss trip to celebrate the birthday. But I figured I'll film a quick intro, mash it all together and see what we've got. Yeah, I think 3 days of binge drinking and chugging back the darts really doesn't do too good on the body, does it?
Day 10, I've landed at the island of mushrooms. Everyone is laughing hysterically.
Apparently you don't have to like hide and shit.
Oh.
It's like allegedly. Shake it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put it
I'll go get one for me.
Hey guys, for my 10 subscriber special, I've found my number 1 subscriber Tim, and we've bought him a shot. Cheers to 10 subscribers. Cheers. And John.
And me.
Next time at 100 subscribers, I'll buy 1 shot for Tim again. And boffins, toques and brandy bucks, grubs, chubs, horn blowers, bulgars, brangly size, and proud foots.
Proud feet.
I have no idea what one
Today is my 32nd birthday. The last 32 years is far too short a time to live among such excellent and admirable friends. And I don't know half of you as well as I should like, and I like less than half of you as well as you deserve.
Yeah, that's fair.
I have things to do, and I've put this off for far too long.
You know.
I regret to announce this is the end. I'm going now. I bid you all a very fond farewell. Goodbye.
B-roll. Me and the Magnus. No, this is the back rooms. This is the cabin that we're staying in. Apart from if we do the fish lens, it doesn't. Can't do the fucking light apparently.
The fish lens.
Yeah, because it can do 0.6.
Oh.
Check this out. So like we've got the 0.6, the 1, and then watch.
Oh shit.
It
needs heaps more light.
Apparently. Yeah. So we're staying, so we're good. Almost will figure out how to work this into a video probably.
What is
This is my tent. Good view there. That's on my tent. Great.
There was an anti-climax.